All right, we're gonna be driving to Venice to go catch us some tuna, hopefully. We're gonna do some sushi here. We gotta drive all the way down to Louisiana, so I'm gonna try to be losing a little weight. I got my little setup here. It's gonna help me lose some weight while I'm driving. Exercise while you drive, baby. They cancel out, right? You can eat a fatty cake and you're wearing an ab workout. So there's a few miles left to drive on to the Marina, and that's where we'll be headed out. Bright and early. It'll be dark next time you see me, but I'm gonna get up in the hotel room and call it a night. This is what the last hotel room looks like at the end of the river.
You're on my number. It's kind of easy right now. He's swimming to you, so just worry about reeling. Don't worry about pumping. Just kind of swimming to you right now.
He makes it look easy swimming in that current. All right, you want to take some?
Sure.
Have fun. Yeah, keep it tight. Don't worry about reeling. You're just gonna be holding him for a while.
Drop. Are you coming behind you?
It took about an hour to get that fish in. Literally everyone had to fight that fish. It was like holding an 80-pound weight in 2 to 4 foot waves. That's why you come out and fight the mighty tuna. That and what you're gonna see me make with it. Now for some bottom fishing for those red snapper. No matter what kind of day you had, when the box is full of fish, it was a good day. It's been many years since I had a chance to fish Venice and catch some red snapper, and I just love the color of that pink in that ice chest. We're gonna clean these things up and get set up to start cooking. We got a limit of snappers. We only got one tuna, but it was a good one. We're happy. It was about a 70 to 80 pound tuna. Can't complain. It's better than catching a bunch of small ones you had to throw back. We got a lot of groceries to go back and eat. So we're headed to I'll be headed in to make the sushi here in a little while. There's a lot of different ways to scale a fish. I really like to use a spoon because generally they're always available. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what you use as long as it gets the job done. We got us a whole snapper that's gonna be going on this pan, and we got some tuna, some fresh tuna, so we'll be doing tuna sushi as well. This is in the oven. So to get started, we're gonna start cutting up some of the vegetables. So I got shallots, garlic, I got some lemons, and these bell peppers will be used afterwards, and a whole lot of butter and crab meat, which is awesome. Garlic and shallots pair together well and help to enrich the flavor of the fish. Shallots are more mild and a sweet onion flavor that is less overpowering than you would get from your traditional onion. We're gonna get a little pan going here. We got the garlic and the shallots. Got the shallots. Where's your spice cabinet at? I'm just looking. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna score the fish, and it's just real simple. You just come in and make some cuts, and that way the heat gets in there, and you can also season inside the fish as you make these cuts. So you just want to make a couple cuts. And then you can come back the other way on it too. Get like kind of nice bite-sized pieces out of it. Now, what's interesting, when you cook the whole fish, you also get this collar meat right there. And that's really some of the best meat on the fish, but there just ain't much there. Normally people throw that away, but we cooking it. This kind of makes it to where you can get the seasoning really down in there, and it also looks pretty. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees. I'm making a little sauce in the pan there, and we're gonna thicken it up with some breadcrumbs. I'm gonna throw in some crab meat, and I'm gonna put that right in the cavity right there. And be stuffed with some crab meat, butter, all that good stuff. And I'm just kind of eyeballing the breadcrumbs here because I sort of half know what I'm looking for. All right, so now we just I got crab claw meat instead of lump crab meat because that may go a little better with this type of fish. With that garlic. Oh, man. There's no way this is turning out bad, I can tell you that. This is a Sauvignon Blanc. Sauvignon Blanc. Supposedly like really crispy, citrusy, goes well with the fish. Oh yeah, that's gonna go perfect with this fish. Let that butter melt. And then this is pretty much ready to go in the oven now. I've got some thyme, and this will go in there too. So this is thyme, butter, and wine. And I'm just gonna let that kind of melt down. And I'm gonna pour it over this fish right before it goes in. Amber, you don't have any minced garlic in your refrigerator, do you? I've got garlic right here. I was just trying not to have to cut it up. It's gonna be a little lazy. Red snapper is a choice, highly desired fish because of its flavors. Whole baking it really draws those flavors out by leaving the bone in as it bakes. Snapper has a delicate and almost sweet flavor. That, paired with the moist and firm texture, allows for lots of versatility when preparing it. It doesn't get much better than this, especially when I pull it out the ocean and not just out of a freezer. So I'm just gonna slice up some avocado slices, some celery slices. You could use carrots or some other stuff, and then we have some cream cheese that's gonna go in there. So I'm gonna make a very simple sushi dish here, but it should be delicious because the tuna is fresh. We caught it yesterday. So now we just make a little sugar, salt, rice vinegar mix, and I just kind of fold it in to the rice to make the sushi rice. Look how beautiful that is. This tuna is fresh, 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 straight out the Gulf. It's just been sitting in a bag on ice. We've never washed it off, so all the flavor is still there. Cut it just a little thick because I want a lot of fish in here. All right, I'm gonna take a little piece and just taste it. Oh my God. Have a rough side and a flat side, and you want to put the rough side is where the rice goes. And it's a very sticky rice, which is exactly what we want.
Sushi rice can be a bit annoying. It would have definitely helped if I'd have wet my knife a bit. That helps to make the rice not stick so much. Sushi is art and food elegantly put together, and in many cases there are no mistakes in art, just happy accidents. Because even if I mess up the way it looks, the way it tastes can happily overpower the optics.
This is gonna be like Mission Impossible. It's like falling apart because I'm trying to pick it up.
But hey, it's still beautiful. Challenge accepted. I'm gonna get this thing off the pan and onto the platter.
Look at that feast. Tuna sushi and a crab stuffed red snapper. Now we're gonna have a little taste test, see how it turned out. So just reach in there and grab you a little bit of that white
eat
fish.
his eyeball.
Yeah.
You said this is the best part,
that
right?
collar meat's really good, yeah. You gotta get some of that.
All right.
Oh, you got some of the crab stuffing.
Oh. Very good.
Oh yeah.
Crab cake inside a fish. Yum.
It's not.
Let me go
it's
where
not,
you went.
Yeah, it's not overcooked at all.
Very good.
Yeah.
Hunter, my man, huh?
All right, you want to try a piece
You
of
can
sushi?
cook for me anytime.
It's all the same. It just looks different.
This one?
Well, that's got more fish, yeah.
Can I pick it up with my fork or do I have
No.
to use my fingers?
Either way.
Mmm. Mmm.
That fresh tuna tastes salty. It's like a little salty because it's never been frozen. No, it's not a bad way. It's like perfect.
Fresh from the Gulf. Very good.
Yeah.
Huh. So you can say, oh, c'est bon.
Stable. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Anyway, that's going to do it for the show, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Yay.